start. That the respondent number 1, herein original plaintiff filed a suit seeking declaration of ownership and permanent injunction against the defendant with regard to the suit property stop. The original plaintiffs claimed the title ownership on the basis of the registered sale deed executed on 31st 8 1967 in favor of their father and husband Daryab Singh. Stop. The plaintiffs also claimed the title on the basis of the adverse possession. Stop. The learned trial court dismissed the suit. Stop. Para. The original plaintiffs preferred the appeal before the first appellate court. Stop. The learned first appellate court, though, held that the plaintiffs shall not get any right on the basis of the sale deed dated 31st 8 1967 exhibit P1 decreed the suit for permanent injunction, observing that the plaintiffs are in possession of the suit land. Stop. The first appellate court also held that therefore, the plaintiffs have perfected their title by way of adverse possession. Stop. The first appellate court decreed the suit for title on adverse possession and issued the decree of permanent injunction restraining the defendant number 1, appellant, herein from interfering with the possession of the plaintiffs. Stop. The appellant, herein original defendant number 1, filed the second appeal before the High Court. Stop. The High Court framed the following substantial question of law: whether the first appellate court has erred in holding that the plaintiff has preferred his title on the disputed land by adverse possession. Stop. Para. Though the High Court answered the aforesaid substantial question of law in favor of the appellant, however, thereafter did not interfere with the judgment and order passed by the first appellate court by observing that the first appellate court has specifically given the finding that the plaintiffs are in possession of the suit land since after execution of the sale deed dated 31st 8 1967. Stop. Consequently, the High Court has dismissed the said second appeal. Stop. The impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court dismissing the second appeal is the subject matter of present appeal. Stop. Para. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the appellant, original defendant number 1, has vehemently submitted that as such the plaintiffs filed the suit for declaration claiming ownership title on the basis of the registered sale deed dated 31st 8 1967 exhibit P1 and also claimed the ownership by adverse possession. Stop. It is submitted that all the courts below had negated the claim of the original plaintiffs on the basis of the registered sale deed. Stop. It is submitted that thereafter the only question on behalf of the plaintiffs was the claim on the basis of the adverse possession. Stop. Para. It is submitted that in the judgment dated ordered, the High Court has though held the substantial question of law on adverse possession in favor of the appellant by observing that the plea of ownership based on sale deed and plea of adverse possession both are contrary to each other and plaintiffs cannot be permitted to take the same plea at the same time. Thereafter, the High Court had dismissed the appeal and confirmed the judgment and order passed by the first appellate court decreeing the suit for title and also passed the decree for permanent injunction.